like, oh, you pay $25 for your lash. Can't relate. What's up, guys? Oh, what is that? What's up, guys? Thank you for coming back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to put on some lashes. Ooh, you know, these are the ones that I'm putting on, but you don't have to put these on, but you know, you can if you want to. These are dramatic, but honestly, let's just really like when I not dramatic, like that's probably my middle name. Anyways, yeah, so I don't want to make this intro long because it's really nothing to talk about, but there is one thing, you know, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm making this intro way too long, so let's get straight into the video. So I'm gonna take my 3D Miss Volume Lash, and this is what they look like. And they're so dramatic, and I got them from the beauty spot store, and they were only $3.99. So I'm gonna be taking these, and these, girl, these lashes are gonna complete this look. Because I have no eyeshadow on, it's just gonna make my look stand out more, you know what I mean? So it's kind of like facing away is how you wear them. So this will go with this lash, and then that will go with that lash. I'm taking these, I have already worn these, so I have already trimmed them. But what you need to do is take the lash out the pack and then put it on your eye. I'm gonna be taking like this little mirror palette thing so I can see. And you need to like measure them, make sure they fit your eye comfortably and stuff. See if there's like, well, these fit mine perfectly, but just to say if there was like a lot of like excess lash that you don't need because your eye is short, you would just take a pair of scissors and just cut the excess off. I don't cut a lot, I just cut like a little, like this was like left over from me cutting it. I'll cut that much off for me. Yeah, that's basically how I measure my lash. And then next is the application. So what I like to use is I use the Salon Pro hair bonding glue. I know what you're gonna say, Kennedy, that's hair bonding glue. Okay, sis, I know. Like, I take it because it's actually way better than eyelash glue. Like, a lot of people use it and you just don't know about it, but it's actually really good because what it does is the hair glue dries down, and when it dries down, it becomes like this tacky substance, and you can like pull it off. I really don't know how to explain it, but it's a really good lash, and I really recommend it. And it's only 99 cents at the beauty supply store. So we're gonna be kind of doing an affordable, you know, eyelash, how to apply eyelashes, because like, you can't tell me, if you were to put these on your lash, you're not gonna tell me that people are not gonna think these are mink. People might think these are mink. Like, these are not even mink, these are just regular false lashes. It says 100% silk lash, and they look like minks when I put them on. So this right here is an affordable eyelash application. The applicator is affordable, the glue is affordable, and the eyelash is affordable, and it's all under $10. Like the total of all these products are under $10. So I got y'all. I be looking out for y'all. I be trying to make it y'all slay. Okay, I'm just gonna take this and just squeeze some on the back of my hand, if it's gonna come out. See, you can't like I leave my caps open, and you can't leave your caps open or they're gonna like dry down. But like, okay, it doesn't want to come out. I don't know where my new one went, but you actually get a lot of product too. So I'm just gonna scrape some, and then that's what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna put, well, I can just keep it on here. So I'm gonna put it on my lash. And like I said, I have worn these before, so you can get multiple uses out of these if you take care of them. Like, don't like sleep in them. I used to sleep in my lashes because like I was too lazy to take them off. But like when I wake up, they would be like, oh, and I was like, oh, sis, no. So I'm just putting, sorry, I'm not even showing y'all, like this is a tutorial, I'm not even showing you. So I just put some like lash glue on the band. You put it on the back of the band, do not put it on the front. Do not put it where like You need to, this is the, you know the back because you know you put it on like this. So you're not gonna put it on the front because you're not applying it like that. Applying it like this. So you put it on where, you know, where you put it, how you're applying it. So you're just gonna like wait for that to dry. Like regular lash glue, it takes like 30 seconds to dry, but this actually dries quicker, so it's more like 10-15 seconds. So after, like, you know, even if you blow on it, it's probably, see, it's probably ready for me to put it on now. That's what I like about it, and it's so much cheaper. So I just like to take the, I don't want to like, okay. I like to put the middle on first. And you just press that, hold that there. Don't be like rushing. And then you take the outer corner. It's gonna be lifted up, then you put that down. And you hold that there. And now, lastly, you take the inner corner. See, I'm telling y'all, these are dramatic. Put that on the inner corner. And you hold that down. Just so these can dry, because you don't want, like... You really need to take more time on the inner corners, because that's what be coming up the quickest. Like, inner corners be quick to come up. So now you're just gonna like be really careful when you do this. But now you're just gonna take your applicator. Oh, mine look like my applicator looks like this. It's just like pointed, and this is 99 cents at the beauty supply store. And I'm just gonna like clamp that to my my regular lashes so they can blend. You can use mascara. I don't use mascara even though I should, but like I just don't use mascara because I get really messy with it. So that's the first lash. Next, I'm just gonna do the same thing. I have this residue, and this is what I mean by like the glue comes up. Like you just pull it and it comes off. Well, that was just one piece, but like I can take all this and it won't leave a stain. I just took all of it off. Like y'all just seen this all right here. That's how it comes off. Like it's better than lash glue. I'm trying to give y'all all the tea. I'm trying to make y'all be successful. Like I care about y'all makeup. So I really just need a round of applause. But let me put this other lash on because I look crazy. So this is just the other eyelash, and I'm just gonna take it out the thing, even though I've already worn it. So now I'm just gonna take some of my glue and dig in there, get it, put it on my lash band. I just put it on like the way I'm applying it. So now and when you grab, like when you're about to apply it, you need to grab in the middle and just hold it there, because that's what you're applying first. You don't want to hold it right here or at the end or even like this, then you'll get glue on it. You need to just hold it like the way you're applying it. So you just wait for it to dry. So, and when you apply, you need to have like a mirror, because I have like a mirror right here, and then you need to look down and do it, not look like this. You need to look down and apply it. So I'm gonna take the middle, take the inner corner, hold that down, take the outer corner. I usually like take the outer corner first, but like the inner corner was like, the eyelash was in my eye and I couldn't see, so I just put that down first so I could get that out of the way. I used to be so bad at applying lashes. Like, I just want to thank God for helping me learn. Hold on. And I think it's because I wore these lashes so much. I don't know why. Do they look different? These are so voluminous. I like this. And that's basically it. So I'm telling y'all, you need to go to the beauty supply store. You need to get the 3D Mist Volume Lash. This is in the style M302A. Y'all got that? Not everybody's gonna like the style, which is fine, because I don't even go this dramatic that much, but when I do, you know, I have to go crazy. And like I said, it's this little glue. If you don't know where to find it, you can just ask the person at the desk at the beauty supply store and just be like, do you have the hair glue? Don't be like a lash, because people don't know. Like, people know, but they're not gonna be like, lash glue. They're gonna take you to the lash glue, but this ain't gonna be in the lash glue. This is safe to use on face, so just letting y'all know. And yeah, you get this, and it comes on like a red top. And then you got your little tweezers, 99 cents, 99 cents, $4 and some change, under $10. I'm really hooking y'all up, so I feel like y'all need to get your little pen pad and take notes. Oh, I'm crazy. But I mean, I'm not gonna pay $25 for some lashes because I know that I don't have the money. I feel like, not saying I don't have the money, because I don't want to speak that to existence, because, you know, I want to be positive about life. But I don't want to spend my money on like products that high when I know there's better alternatives. Now, if it's like one day I hit the lottery, you might know I might go a little crazy, and don't come for me because I know everybody will. So, but I haven't hit the lottery. I'm not even old enough to play the lottery, so it's whatever. That was the end of the tutorial. I just showed y'all how to put on these lashes. Yeah, we over here slime. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.